Okay, so I'm going to go over these practice questions for measures of central tendency and range. And I do have the answers, so we can check and make sure I got it right. So let's proceed. This says the table below shows the daily amount each student spent on lunch last week. Which statement is true? On Thursday, the median is greater than the mean. On Tuesday, the median and the mean are the same. On C, the median spent on Wednesday is $2, and D, the mean spent on Wednesday is $2.50. All right, so mean, well, let's do median first. When you put them all in order, the number in the middle, or the average of the two numbers in the middle. So let's look at Thursday. So if we put them in order, we get 2, 2, 3, and 8. And the average of those two is 2.5. The mean would be 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 8 divided by 4. So 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 8 equals 15 divided by 4 is 3 3/4. So this would not be true. The median is less than the mean, so we can cross that one off. On Tuesday, the median and the mean are the same. So let's look at Tuesday. Let's put the numbers in order. 2, 3, 3, 4. So the median is 3. If we add 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4, 2 plus 3 plus 3 plus 4, we get 12. We divide that by 4, and we get 3. And so this is looking probable. It's always good to look at all of them, though. Wednesday's median, 2, 2, 3, 5. So the median for this is 2.5, so that's not it. The mean on Wednesday, clear, 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 5 is 12, divided by 4 is 3. And so that is not it either. So the answer is B, and I just checked the answers, and that's correct. The answer is B. All right, Leo and Wanda are in different classes at school. They recorded the number of letters in each of their fellow students' names in the dot plots below. So we have Leo's class and Wanda's class. Okay, which statement is true? While the means of the two data sets are the same, Wanda's class data is spread more out than Leo's class data. Well, that is true. If you look, her data is spread out. So we'll think about that one. I'd rather not have to figure out the mean for both of these, so this is called test-taking skills. While the means of the two data sets are the same, Leo's class data is more spread out. Well, that's not true, so we can get rid of that. Leo's class data has a greater mean and is less spread out than Wanda's. Wanda's class data has a greater mean and is less spread out than Leo's. So this is going to be, we're actually going to have to figure this out. All right, so we have 2. Let's see. I guess we can do it this way, actually. Never thought about doing it this way before, but let's see. No, that's not what I want to do. I need the mean. That's the median. All right. So we have, so let's just do it this way. We got 2 plus 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, plus 28, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 30, plus 24, plus 14, plus 8, plus 10, plus 11. All right, so we got 2 plus 9 plus 28 plus 30 plus 24 plus 14 plus 8 plus 10 plus 11. That's 136. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Divided by 26. So that's 5 3/13. All right, so here we have 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 24. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plus 36 plus 28. So clear. We have 6 plus 24 plus 40 plus 36 plus 28. 134. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. Divided by 26 is 5 2/13. Wow. So, it's not this one because they're not the same. And it looks like Wanda's is a little bit bigger. Let's hope that's the right answer. It is! Yay! Okay, here's the next one. A math teacher wrote the following data set on the board. Which value needs to be added to the data set to increase the mean by 5? All right, so first let's find the mean. 15 plus 27 plus 19 plus 27 plus 21 plus 27 plus 39. And we might need this later. That all equals 175. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 divided by 7. So that's 25. So right now is 25. We want it to be 30 because that would increase it by the mean by 5. So we need 175 plus x divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 equals 30. I'm going to write that down here. 175, because that's what all these were already, plus some amount divided by 8, because there were 7, now we're going to have 8, equals 30. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to multiply both sides by 8, because that gets rid of that. So 30 times 8 is 240. I don't know why I'm doing that in a calculator. All right, so it's 240. 175 plus x. We're going to subtract 175 from each side. 240 minus 175 equals 65. So let's see if it's D. 3 is D. Yay, we got that one right. All right, 4. While playing a video game, Rhonda scored 10 points, 13 points, 15 points, and 10 points the first 4 times she played. If Rhonda plays one more time, how many more points must she score to have a mean of exactly 13? All right, so we can kind of do this the same way. We're going to do 10, 13, 15, 10. 10 plus 13 plus 15 plus 10 is 48. 48 plus some number is going to be equal to 13. And there are going to be 5 numbers because it's the 4 we know and then the other one more time. So we're going to multiply both sides by 5. Clear. 13 times 5 equals 65. 48 plus x. So we're going to subtract 48 from both sides. And x is going to equal 65 minus 48, which is 17. Let's see if that's right. Yes, that is right. Okay, number 5. Billy observed the values of a sample of yachts owned by celebrities. He found that the median yacht value was 1.8 million. What is the best interpretation of the median? Half of all the yachts had a value of 1.8 million. Nope. On average, nope, that's mean. Out of all the yachts, the most frequently observed value was 1.8. Now that's more mode. When the values of the yachts were ordered numerically, the middle value was 1.8. So 5 is D. Okay, let's keep going. Okay, a set of data consists of the values shown below. Which value could be added to the data? Oops, we already did that one. If we don't have to do that one. So we already know that one is, I'll just tell you so you can put it in and get the right answer if you do it again. D, okay. All right, Jackson collected the data below of the total number of miles students in his class travel to school each day. He collected the data for all 4 weeks. What is the mode of the data? So mode is the one that happens the most. So 62, let's see, it kind of looks like 80 happens a lot. You have 3 80s. Actually, the best way to do this is to do a tree. So if we're looking, we've got 4s, 5, oops, I didn't mean to do it that way. 4s, 5s, 6, 7, 8. All right, so we got 62, 74, 81, 88, 65, 58, 70, 83, 45, 85, 79, 82, 80, 73, 88, 68, 80, 70, 83, and 80. That's a 0. So let's look down here. We have 3 80s. So I believe the answer is D. 7 is D. All right, let's keep going. A lot of D's in this one. All right, the number of text messages that 12 7th graders sent per day are listed below. What are the mean, and median of the set of data? All right, so the first thing we have to do is we have to put them in order. So 43, 51, 62, 63, 67, 77, 81, 90, oops, forgot an 85, 85, then 90, 85, 90, 98, 101, 106, 101, 106. All right, so median. Like the sound effects? All right, so we got to do 77 plus 81 divided by 2. Oh, I got to do this. 77 plus 81 equals, divided by 2, 79. All right, so that means we can cross, well, the only one with a median of 79 is B. So maybe that's, median's faster than mean to find, especially on the calculators you'll be using. So let me just see if the answer is B. It is B. So in this case, you wouldn't even have to find out the mean. But how you would find out the mean is to add all these together and then divide by 12. All right, 9. The table below shows the amounts Miss Allen spent weekly on groceries. During which month was the median amount spent per week on groceries less than the mean amount? Oh, great. Okay. So, January, 35, 38, 40, 42. I'm just going to add this. So that means the median is 38 plus 40 divided by 2. It's 39. So the mean amount of that is 35 plus 38 plus 40 plus 42. And then I'm going to divide that by 4. So that's 38.75. So this is the median, and this is the mean, and we want the During which month was the median amount spent per week on groceries less? So it's not January. All right, February, we have 29, 34, 40, 54. So we need to do 34 plus 40, and then divide that by 2, and we're going to get 37. This is the median. Then we're going to add 29 plus 34 plus 40 plus 54, and then divide by 4. And that's going to give us 39.25. 39.25. So during which month was the median amount per week on groceries less than the mean? So probably B. Let's check. 9 is B. I'm going to go ahead and stop here, but because we've gone through the process twice. But if it wasn't B, then you'd have to do the same thing for March and then the same thing for April. Okay? All right, the graph below compares soccer goals scored over 2 years. Based on the graph, which statement is true? The maximum for year 2 was greater than the maximum for year 1. So the maximum here looks like it's 11. The maximum here is 7. So this is not correct. The median for year 1 is greater than the median for year 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So we need, that's an odd number, 17. So we need 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the median for this one is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. This one is 16, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means this is probably going to be 2.5. The median for year 1 is greater than the median for year 2. No. The median for year 2 is greater than the median for year 1. I think that one is correct. The range for year 2 is greater than the range for year 1. So the range is 7 minus 0 equals 7. And this one is 11 minus 1 equals 10. So this one's not correct. So I believe it is C. Let's look. 10 is C. Hey, we're batting 1,000. Okay, the dot plot below represents the numbers of books that each student in one class read over the summer. Which description of the data represented in the dot plot is accurate? There is a peak at 1. Oh, that's true. The graph is skewed left. It's kind of true too. The shape is a bell curve? No. Most students read 9 books? No. The only one I'm really sure about is this one, that there was the most at 1 book. And so I'm going to go with that. This skewed left thing, this is kind of how the data is collected, I think. It is all on the left, but a lot of it is on the left, but I don't think that's it. So let's check. 11 is A. Very good. All right, 12. The mean number of points Jada scored in 6 basketball games was 20. The table below shows the number of points per game for 4 other team players. Which player scored the same mean number of points as Jada? All right, so we have to add them all up and divide by the number of numbers until we find 20. So that's what we're looking for. So 15 plus 16 plus 17 plus 18 plus 19 plus 35. And we're going to divide by 6. Whoop, this one's 20. This one's not going to be 20 because that 23 messes it up. So let's see, is it A? It is A. Ideally, you would want to do these as well. But how I did it was 15 plus 16 plus 17 plus 18 plus 19 plus 35 divided by 6 on the calculator. All right, last one. The number of, oops, did this one already. So what was this one? This one was D, just so you can put it in. All right, there you go.